Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I am headed into Dollar Tree, one of my favorite places. So I thought I'd invite you all to come along with me. Let's go shopping. So you guys, the DVDs are back. When I showed up to my Dollar Tree this morning, they were taking all of these out of the boxes, and I didn't pick any up. I just wanted to kind of share with you guys what I'm finding. And this is what I am super excited about. All of the Americana red, white, and blue 4th of July Memorial Day decor is being put out in my stores, and I am so excited about it. There are a few things that have come back from last year, but there are definitely a few new things that I saw, and I really don't think they're done putting it out. So let's get into what they're doing this year. I love this print. It's super cute with all the text, a lot of that, and then a lot of the flag. And as you can see, the plain colors. Cute little paper trays for hot dogs and cookouts. All of the paper straws are back out for all of you crafters. And what I like to call the ice cream cups. Here's a little bit more of the paper straws. And they have this hanging star sign in two versions. So this one has the print, and then this one is in the plain. Now they are all completely glitter on the burlap backing ribbon. They also have out some new garden flags, and I saw 3 different versions. So the star is the first version, and then this one with the fireworks, and the flag with the eagle. That is a really good price for a garden flag. I'm sure many of you know those can be pricey. They also have out a few different windstocks, some magnets, and the little star decorations are back this year. They are 3D 2 pieces, and you just put them together. All kinds of different garlands, as you can imagine. These are all paper and or plastic. And a few hanging cutouts. They have this letter banner in this version that says Happy 4th, and this one that says United We Stand. Lots of these little plastic buntings in the metallic, and then they have a plainer version and also the flag version. And they've also got out these signs, which I remember from last year, and there are 2 versions as well. The larger flags that are great for outside decor, the Uncle Sam's hat and star. And it looks like they moved these over from the party section. Here's a look at the bows they're putting out for 4th of July this year. And at first glance, I thought those were flowers, but I think they're meant to look like fireworks on those bows. And some of the novelty things that they put out every year, hats and wands, the little LED votives in the stars, lots of paper lanterns. I really like the American flag version. They have out the little sets of the foam wands in sets of 4, which is a really good deal, in the stars, the flags, and the hearts. And I think they did a good job on their door hangers. They also have these sets of 2 3-beaded necklaces, and here are the scarves. I really, really love this little white one with stars, and I forgot to put it in my basket, so I will be going back and looking for that one. They also have the striped in red, and all of the butterfly wings are back, and the miniature hats. These are definitely new this year. Really fun little plastic bottles for water or drinking. They had the fireworks in blue and then all of the text on the red. Some hanging decor in the tinsel, from hearts to garlands. And this is really super cute. Definitely looks like something you'd find at Hobby Lobby. It's kind of like a chalkboard. Lots of glitter on it though, as you can imagine. I don't remember this sign last year, and I definitely think this one is new this year. And they're putting out these hearts. So they have this version in the blue with God Bless America, and this one that I adore in the red with Liberty and the American Eagle. Here's lots more tinsel decor and a few more signs, the USA, and that looks familiar from last year. And this one was similar, slightly different this year with the different looking wood grain in this America sign. They've hung out all of the children's socks. I have not seen any of the adult socks yet. I will be on the lookout for those. Here's some of the Americana flip-flops and the headbands, as well as the returning red, white, and blue candles, and these really cute little star votive holders in silver, blue, and red. This little shooting star tinsel piece. And our favorite burlap American printed ribbon is back. And tell me if I'm correct, guys. I don't remember this little heart sign from last year. Let Freedom Ring with the little rocket. Very cute. And here's the other vertical sign I was telling you about. I don't remember that one last year, but the felt star banner is back, and I'm glad. Mine fell apart, so I picked up another one. And they did move some of those garden hanging stars over here. And this is the other version of the little hanging sign with the star "In God We Trust." You just have to fiddle with the hanging chain just a little bit. All of the mesh is out in the red, the blue, the white, and the combo. And my favorite thing from last year, these really cute pinwheels in the red and the blue. This is another thing that I found new this year. It's a set of 2 bandanas. You can get it with the American flag and a plain red bandana, or the flag with a navy blue bandana. The little 10 set of LED lights in the stars and all the printed balloons. And this little new goodie that I found on the home decor aisle, as well as these really cute little hanging lanterns that say homemade on the front of them, with little votive holders on the inside. You can make these into inside or outside decor. I just thought they were adorable. Now, if any of you saw my hanging lantern DIY, these are not as tall as the ones I used, but you could definitely use them with a candle. Now let's switch gears and look at all of the fun summer goodies in Dollar Tree. They're putting out all kinds of luau decor, as well as lots of fun summer accessories, from bags to scarves, all kinds of different flip-flops and hats. Now, I think these little Dollar Tree flip-flops are a great little thing to have on hand or pick up in an emergency, but they're not super comfortable for me, although they're probably just right for kids or in case of an emergency. I have been out shopping before and been so uncomfortable in my shoes that I am not above picking up a pair to wear for the rest of the day. Now we're going to look at all of the summer dishware and serveware. They did this last year with the different color schemes, and I love it. I think they're doing a great job and bumping up their game every year. I really like the prints that they're doing and how they're color coordinating everything. So their tumblers are out. Also, their little fruit infuser cups are out in all the different colors. I found these little shot glasses in the cactus of different colors. And just a little sidetrack, I was totally distracted by all the beautiful gift bags that I'm guessing are out more for Mother's Day, but they're also kind of summery and would be great for a birthday. I also found some that would be appropriate for a wedding or maybe a bridal shower. I love this watercolor floral. There's a different version in the back. There are quite a few out for weddings and baby showers. And I found this super adorable birthday gumball machine bag. If I had an occasion to buy this for, I would have snatched it right up. It is so adorable. Really nice new bags. Love this unicorn. All right, back from our little tangent in the gift bag aisle. It's actually one of my favorite places in Dollar Tree. Let's get back into all the luau goodies. All of these leis are really nice. The cheaper plastic ones, you get a few of them in a pack, and then the nicer floral ones are just one. They coordinate with the little hair clips with the flowers on them. If you're thinking of being a hula girl for Halloween, you might want to pick up a grass skirt, and they have out the little seashell and coconut bras. These leis are also great little things to pick up for graduation parties. They did such a good job this year on their dishes. They have all of these really nice prints on both the melamine bowls and cups and platters, and they also put them out in paperware, which I think is a great idea for parties and entertaining. I wish I found this a few weeks ago. I was looking for a fishing net for my son's Sea of Thieves birthday. I hope you guys got a chance to check out the cake I made that I promised you in my Dollar Tree haul. I also found these little seashell lip balms, and on my way out the door, I also found them in blue. The little flamingo lawn ornaments are back, and that little blue tag in the front is the feet that you can stick in the bottom to have it stand in your yard. I found all kinds of different luau banners in floral with text and the tiki faces, as well as my favorite, which is this one with the little toucan in pink. It is really, really cute. Here are some more cute summer goodies. These cute little beach ball sippy cups with the little straw spout. These are adorable, great for a little party. And look at these plates. They are actually not divided. It's an optical illusion. The watermelon is just so cute. I found all of these fun summer decor signs. Love the beach one in blue. These are actually shaped like a tag. You could flip them around and DIY them very easily. And these were actually over in my candle area, but they go along with the whole summer beach theme. They're just really cute little votive holders with different seashells on the front in different shades of teal and blue. And all of the gold and silver ones we saw last year are back. Now I just have a few last minute makeup finds to share with you guys. starting with these nail polishes that are actually by Candy Johnson. I also found all kinds of new e.l.f. cosmetics, the little facial whip shimmering liquid by e.l.f., some new LA Colors products, lots of new auto lip liners, which I love. I don't like the type that are pencil and you have to sharpen. These just twist right up. And lastly, I did find quite a bit of new eyeshadows, all from LA Colors, including some new matte quad shadows. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree shop with me, looking at all the fun new patriotic decor and summer items. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.